Disability advocates say their top priority this legislative session is moving along with bipartisan support.
The bill would give statewide protections to those with disabilities from being forced into institutions. Your reporter, Olivia Young, spoke with a woman who says this protection is needed.
Protection from being forced into an institution. It's a right that's been federally protected since a 1999 Supreme Court case. Now, Colorado disability advocates are one step closer to getting that right enshrined into state law.
People with disability are part of the community and they deserve to be included.
Molly Kirkham has a rare developmental disability called Act B.
It affects more, not physically, but like math skills, speech language.
After years of speaking up for her beliefs, she became a policy advocate for ARC of Colorado.
I think it's always been in me to stand up for people.
Her life looks a lot different than her great aunt's.
So my great aunt Tippy was born in Florida. She had more severe disabilities. And back in the 1950s, she was institutionalized in Sunland. She was there for many years.
A landmark 1999 Supreme Court decision, Olmstead v. LC, ruled that unjustified segregation of disabled people is discrimination.
It's what allows people with disabilities to stay at home and receive care without being institutionalized.
With federal priorities shifting, Colorado disability advocates don't want those rights rolled back. They're hoping to pass HB 251017 to make home and community-based care for people with disabilities a state law. Tuesday, Kirkham testified to lawmakers in favor of the bill.
The main point of my message was about dignity and making sure people with disabilities are not hidden away.
After her testimony, the bill passed the House Health and Human Services Committee unanimously, but its cost could be an obstacle. The Department of Healthcare Policy and Financing estimates the bill would cost less than $600,000 this year, but that their costs could increase by $4 million a year to comply with the bill's requirements.
For me, it's a fear, but it's also optimism, especially after yesterday, that people are willing to stand up.
The bill will need to go through a full House and then a full Senate vote before it reaches Governor Jared Polis's desk. In Denver, I'm Olivia Young, covering Colorado First.